Hey guys, how's it going? How to monitor, excuse me, how to monitor site uptime with Bluehost tool. So first of all, go ahead to the official website of Bluehost and make sure that you subscribe to a plan. And if you want to get a discount, if you want to get the best option, please visit the link in the description box. Now, what you're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead to the official website of Bluehost, all right? And we're gonna get to the bottom of how to basically monitor a site and monitor the uptime with Bluehost, right? So why does this server uptime matter? Server uptime is crucial because it directly impacts the availability and reliability of websites and online services. When servers have high uptime, it means they're consistently operational and accessible, which can be which is essential for user experience, business operation, reputation, and compliance. Right? Factors that affect the server's uptime: hardware quality and reliability, software stability and network connectivity, and power supply and environmental factors, security threats like cyber attacks, and maintenance practices. Right? If you want to monitor the server uptime on Bluehost, first of all, you need Bluehost is a popular web hosting service that offers various hosting plans, including shared hosting, of course. And here's how they monitor their service. First of all, the high performance. To prevent downtimes, Bluehost web hosting uses Cloudflare CDN to boost your website. If you want to get to know more about the Cloudflare, just go ahead and go to the official website of Cloudflare and get to know about more get to the bottom of it, right? Cloudflare is a global cloud platform designed to make everything you connect to the internet secure, private, fast, and reliable, right? So they're using Cloudflare for that matter. Okay, so let me go back right here. Right, not that. Not that one. Let me go right here. Right, and they're using Cloudflare CDN to boost your website performance and reduce load times. And additionally, server level caching enhances the speed at which your servers deliver web pages. Availability. Bluehost's server uptime depends on a range of factors, including the activity of their clients, traffic to other sites, hardware failure, and issues like hard drive failure and file corruption. While they're working hard to minimize the impact of these issues, they can still occur from time to time. They want to be transparent about resolving them. The timelines. All right, and most issues are typically resolved within approximately 15 minutes, and they do everything they can to ensure that they resolve as quickly as possible. But however, in rare cases where the issue is particularly severe, it may take longer than 15 minutes to get everything back up and running. In these cases, their team of experts will work around the clock to get your server back up and running as quickly as possible. Right? In summary, network server uptime agreement depends on issues ranging from client activity. They're using Cloudflare to make sure that you get the best, fast, and safe experience. And traffic to other sites, hardware or hard drive failure, and file corruption. Most problems are resolved in approximately 15 minutes. However, it may take more than 15 minutes to resolve extreme issues. So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.